Hi Luminary, so I'm going to show you how to attach a tassel or even a pom-pom actually to your knitted piece. So let's make a quick tassel. I'm going to make these basic tassel. We have a video on this as well if I'm going too fast. So you're going to attach this at one of the notches, and I'm going to go about 50 revolution. All of these I went 50, so I want it to be consistent. So I'm going to have to count real quickly. That's 6. Okay, we're at 50. So put that, secure it to one of the notches. I'm going to cut 2 pieces of yarn. One is to attach to the blanket, and the other is to make a neck knot. Okay, so real quickly. Super easy. If you're familiar with how to do this, just go ahead and fast forward the video. Do this real quickly. Lay this flat. Oops. And make a tight double knot. Again, because I'm making it to match this, I went 4 revolutions around the neck. 1, 2, 3. Actually, oops. That came undone a little bit. No big deal. Okay, now we're going to tuck in these pieces. So you're going to take any of the needle and go, whoops. Real quick tip, so if you're doing this for a pillow or cloth rather than a knitted piece, you want to use a thinner needle. So like a metal needle. It could be a yarn needle, which is fine. But with cloth, you just need something a little bit more refined. Oops. I'm being impatient, that's why I'm messing up. Okay, and then once that comes through, we're going to pull this so that that knot turns inward. Now, set this aside. Now we're going to trim. Okay, of course, I like to use my tassel comb. And then let's trim to make this even. Okay, set this aside. Turn your piece, bring back your needle, and all you're going to do is thread one side of your head knot. Take it into one of the holes in your knitted piece. Take another one, take another end, take it into another hole right next to it, okay? You don't want to do the same one. Okay, and the great thing about this, I'm just going to make a bow tie, because this way you could remove it if you wash the piece, or if you want to just really hide it, all you have to do is make a tight double knot. And I would just work this into your knitted piece a little bit, because I think that would really hide it and really secure it. Okay, and trim your piece. Repeat for the other one. Sometimes I actually like to thread the needle first and then put the yarn end in. Trim, set that aside, and look at how cute that is. So nice to have tassels.